If you're looking for a refined estate with spectacular panoramic views in a country club setting, you found it. This home offers entertaining on a grand scale. This estate is located on the Scottsdale-Fountain Hills border, situated on the eastern slope of the McDowell Mountains, about 500 feet in elevation above Phoenix. This majestic range naturally separates the community from the hustle and bustle of Metro Phoenix, yet it's just a short 20-minute drive to Sky Harbor Airport and everything Metro Phoenix has to offer. Featuring 6 bedrooms and 5 baths, this spectacular mansion offers breathtaking panoramic city and golf course views from every room. Italian travertine flooring greets you as you enter and is matched by custom cherry cabinetry, 9 fireplaces, wine room, Pella doors and windows, and awnings with wind and sun sensors. This is also a very smart home, offering Cat 5 wiring and computer networking throughout, and a Panasonic phone system with up to 8 lines, room-to-room intercoms and chimes on all doors and windows. The gourmet kitchen is sure to delight any chef in the family with a 6-burner Viking gas stove and double dishwashers. The outdoor amenities include a 53-inch Viking gas grill with side burners, refrigerator, and double sinks. This all leads to the sparkling pool and spa with the gorgeous views beyond. The game room features a game table, wet bar, and a 100-inch theater screen. The master suite has a king-size bed with high-end mattresses and linens, separate laundry area, steam shower, and jacuzzi tub. All bedrooms feature TVs and DVD players. The guest quarters has a full kitchen, separate laundry, and private balcony with amazing views. This is truly one of the most refined residences ever developed and is the perfect home for grand entertaining or relaxing with the incredible views. For more information, please contact Connie Martin at 602-620-2396 or email connie_martin@cox.net.